What's up everyone? So this is my next vlog. Yeah! So a few days ago, my family been joining my cousins and my nephew and went to Tanjung Langsat there and have a walk. Yeah, so if you want to watch more, just stay tuned in this vlog, huh? Yeah! So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and don't forget to like on my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share my video to anyone that you know. Yeah.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Are you still thinking about